morning everyone, welcome to Vlogmas day 4. Are we on 4 already? Wow, I didn't think I'd last this long, to be honest. I was just reading through all your comments yesterday and how many of you are all in the bra off movement. I love it. I honestly thought I was probably, you know, one of the few that actually whip it off the minute that they get home, but I'm so happy to know all you guys understand and can relate. Yeah, it's so funny reading all your comments. I love interacting with you guys. You guys seem to be happy that I'm doing it, so yeah, I'm gonna keep going. It's killing me though. I really don't understand our internet. Like, I mean, we're on what sort of internet are we on? We're not on the NBN yet because I've heard a lot of bad reviews saying it's actually slower than the normal ADSL. So we're on ADSL home Wi-Fi. So we've got like a Wi-Fi modem that all the computers can connect to. Netflix connects to wirelessly, and yeah, it's just so slow. I don't know if it's because maybe we've got like a few devices connecting to the same internet, like to the same modem. But yeah, like I've literally 20-minute video I set off at, what time did I set that off? It would have been about 11 o'clock again last night, 11:30, and I just had a look this morning at 7 and it's still saying it's got 2.5 hours to go. So like, is that normal? Like anyone else that uploads to YouTube, like 9 hours for, even more, like 9 or 10 hours for one 20-minute video to upload? Is that normal? I don't know, like it just seems ridiculous. Some days when I'm filming just a regular DIY video that maybe is like 10 minutes long, they'll probably upload in about 2 hours or so, but I don't know, I just feel like 9 hours is ridiculous, and maybe I should contact our internet provider and see what the hell's going on. Maybe, yeah, look into switching to NBN, see if it's a bit quicker for us. So I don't know, it's just driving me insane. It does make it very hard when you're trying to vlog every day and get videos out every day. But yeah, this is a really flattering angle for all my chins, isn't it? It looks lovely. I mean, if you want to get a good look at all of them, like this is the angle to be at. Jesus Christ. Another day, another vlog. I feel like I want to get a coffee this morning. Hopefully if I get to work a few minutes early, I'm going to stop at Hungry Jack's and get a coffee or something. One thing I did want to discuss, not that I want to discuss it, but I was thinking about it yesterday. I mean, I do most of my greatest thinking on the toilet, and this is a toilet thought. So at our work, right, we have obviously ladies' toilets, and there's like 5 cubicles on one side and 2 cubicles on the other, right? So there's like a row, then we've got the sinks next to the ones that have got 2 cubicles. And I mean, I don't know if it's just me, but I tend to have my go-to toilet. Like, it's the toilet I always use. For some reason, I've picked a toilet when I first started there and I always use that toilet. However, if there's someone in that toilet, I'm quite happy to use another toilet. I'm not like, you know, OCD about it or anything like that. I won't sit and wait until that toilet's finished or whatever. But just some toilet etiquette. Like, is it just me, or does this seem weird to you? Okay, so I go into my toilet and it happens to be one of the ones that's just 2 of them together. So the 2 cubicles that are together, I go in that one, right? Now, another person comes into the toilet and they go into the one right next to me. And I just find that really weird. Like, is it just me, or is that really weird? Like, you've got 5 other cubicles to choose from on the opposite side. Why are you going in and sitting next to another person sitting on the toilet? Like, I know we're separated, but I don't know, I just feel like it's really strange. Like, it's almost the same situation, like if you're sitting on a bus and the whole bus is empty, like the whole bus is empty, and then another person comes on the bus and sits next to you. Like, that is odd, isn't it? Like, that's odd. But, and I feel the same way with this cubicle situation. Like, if there's someone in that toilet, or even in the one next to my toilet, like if there's someone sitting in the one next to my favorite toilet, I won't actually go into my favorite toilet. I'll go into another cubicle. Like, because I just feel it's really weird that you just go right next to someone that's already doing their business in the toilet and you go and sit right next to them. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just weird like that, but I just feel like, just go somewhere else. You don't need to sit next to me while I'm, because then, see, I'm one of those people that when I'm on the toilet and if I can hear that there's someone else in there, I'll wow, this is just awful talk for first thing in the morning, but I tend to hold everything in until they leave and then do it once they're not there to hear it. Or I have to then take some toilet paper off the roll, put it in the toilet first so that there's no splash and all of that sort of thing. So like, why would you come and sit right next to me and listen to my business? Like, use another toilet. You don't need to sit next to me. And same thing is, like, the whole toilets are empty and you're just coming out of your toilet and someone's just coming into the bathroom and they go straight into your toilet after they've seen you just walk out. Like, that to me is weird. Like, why do you want to sit on my warmed up toilet seat? Like, that is the grossest thing ever. If I go into a public toilet and I sit down and that toilet seat's warm, for some reason that grosses me out. Like, really grosses me out. The fact that someone else's ass has warmed that seat up for me. Like, I don't mind if it's my husband and he's warmed it up. It's like, oh yeah, that's nice and cozy. But when it's someone else's butt warming that seat up, that makes me feel uneasy. So I don't understand why someone would walk into that toilet as soon as they see me walk out of it when there's a million other empty toilets. Like, you don't need to go in there smelling my business. You don't need to go in there and seeing what I've done. Like, use another toilet. Don't be the one. Don't go next to the person that's already in there. That's really uncomfortable for the person that's already in there. Why do you need to sit so close? You don't need a friend while you're taking a crap. Move over. I don't know, I just feel like I had to get that off my chest because it happens every day at my work. And I just don't know whether that's just me being really weird, but I don't think so. Like, I just don't think so. Like, I think if you're doing your business in your toilet, you don't need someone sat next to you when there's plenty of other options further away. Like, I would never dream of sitting next to someone that's already in there when there's so many free cubicles. I don't know, that's probably weird. Like, maybe I'm the weirdo, but I don't think so. Like, I really don't think so. So that's just my little thoughts on sitting on a public toilet or sitting at your work toilets. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you think I'm weird or you think that it is weird that someone would sit right next to you while they know that there's someone in there when they've got other options further away. I just feel that's so strange. But yeah, so that's my thoughts. That's my thought for the day. I think maybe I'm going to try and come up with a little thought-provoking thing for you guys, and then you can let me know whether I'm normal or whether everyone else is just weird. Because that's one thing that's been bugging me for quite a while. Oh, what else can I rant about? I have to limit myself to one rant a day, I think. So that's my first rant. Don't sit in a toilet right next to someone that's already in there. Give them space. You don't need to smell directly what's coming from there. Let the air float around for a bit and, you know, peter off. How's this doing? How's my little phone mount doing? Is it clear enough for you guys? I know you can never see my eyes with all the glare off my glasses, but I can't really do much about that. I'm blind as a bat. Actually, you know what? I had had my eyes tested before, because I said to the optometrist when I went to the specialist to get my contact lens put in, I said to him that, yeah, I think my eye prescription might have changed because my glasses are feeling really, they're not like they're not feeling sort of comfortable when I'm looking through them anymore. And before he put the contact lens in, he actually did an eye test on my eye, and the eye that I've been having all the trouble with has actually improved in vision, and the other eye has actually gotten worse. So how do you make that out? Maybe everyone needs to just rip the cornea off their eyes. If you've got eye problems, it might fix it. So yeah, it's really odd. So. Hey guys, so I've just got home. Jesus Christ, I always look worse for wear when I've finished the day. Oh, freaking haggard. Oh, I'm locking that. So yeah, I've just finished work. Just got home. It's what time is it? About 5:30-ish. So I'm gonna just do a bit of cleaning before dinner and start editing this video to get it up for you guys. I'm just gonna do some more washing because this is a job that just never ever stops. No matter what I do, I don't think I've ever kept up with the washing. So I try to do at least 1 or 2 loads every day. Sometimes I catch up, sometimes I don't. No idea what happened last night. I come home from work. Now this is day 5, right? But you'll be watching this on day 4's vlog. I come home from work, did a bit of cleaning and whatever, and I thought, oh, I'll just, you know, lie on the bed for a minute and answer some like YouTube comments, and I just absolutely crashed at about 8 o'clock. Slept all the way through. So I hadn't edited the vlog, I hadn't uploaded it, so I'm just putting this footage in really quickly so I can end the vlog and start uploading it, so at least you'll have it on day 5. And we'll quickly do the Body Shop calendar as well, so that that's on the correct day. So sorry, this is really rushed. I'm just quickly filming this before I go to work this morning, so I can try and get it at least uploading for you guys before I go to work, so it's not a whole day wasted not uploading. So am I looking for day 4? Yeah, day 4, and I actually found it yesterday to make it quicker. So day 4, what have we got? It says recycle empty packaging into pot plants with our upcycling tips. Well, there you go. Maybe all these boxes can be upcycled. So let's see what we have in this. This is a very skinny package. I don't know what could possibly be in here. What do we got? Ah, a little, can you see that, guys? A little nail file with some bunny ears on. That's really cute. Is that focusing? There you go. On the Body Shop. That's actually really cute. I might keep that in my bag because, you know, clearly I look after my nails. But no, that's really good. Okay, so nail file for day 4, and I'll quickly sign it off here because I still have to put my face on for today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.